Today I'm going to be reviewing Dr. Recipe's vitamin D3 and K2. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is one of the tiny little soft gels. You're going to get 120 of these and you only take one a day. So you've got 4 months supply of vitamin D, 10,000 IU and 200 micrograms MK7 of the K2 for calcium. This of course is non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, 100% natural, third-party tested, and soy-free. So if you have allergies, you're going to be good to go. D3, of course, is what you get from being out in the sun. If you're not out in the sun, you're not getting it. So this will definitely give you plenty of what you're going to need. And then, of course, you add it with the calcium, the MK7, good for strong bone density, good for overall immune health, heart support, and calcium absorption. This is an Amazon choice, which I love to see. It's got 4.6 stars, 128 reviews, and last month, 1,000 plus of these were sold. So if you're looking for vitamin D3 and K2, take a look at this. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.